Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, let's talk about VR. This sort of like a part 2 of the previous video where I talked about 360 videos and virtual reality experiences. And so today, I have with me Oculus Quest. So, I've had a VR headset for the longest while, and what I had used to be the type that you pop your phone inside and put on the headset. And you experience the virtual reality world. But Facebook owns Oculus, and they developed a more, shall I say, all-in-one inbuilt virtual reality headset, which is the Oculus Quest. We actually have a couple of different types of virtual reality headsets, but what I have here is the Oculus Quest. And yeah, I've had this quite recently, and man, I must say I love the games in this as compared to the previous ones. And yes, I'll be doing a video comparing my very first virtual reality headset and comparing it with this one, and list the pros and cons and all those kind of things. And maybe it's going to be 3 comparison between, I have a Google Cardboard virtual reality headset, and I have a regular, more compact and more stable than the Google Cardboard headset. And now this. So when doing a comparison, probably I'll do the comparison between all the 3, or just the China one and this one. So yeah, let's just dive into this and see what this entails. First off, it comes in this beautiful pouch, case, container, whatever you want to call this, and it looks clean, properly built, and it feels somewhat like a water resistant pouch. And when you open it, this is what you see. I don't know if you can see, but I'll give you an up close shot. You see the headset, and it comes with 2 controllers, but basically this is did you get that? Virtually, this is the virtual reality headset. Virtually, and so when you take it off the box, you see how cool and clean looking it is. It has 4 cameras at the front. Man, I'm struggling with handling this. It has 4 cameras at the front, and it helps you to see your environment when you are not in the virtual reality environment, but you have the headset on. There's 4 cameras outside here in front, helps you see your surrounding, your immediate surrounding. Now it has some straps. 3 straps, one on top, one on the right, one on the left, and that's to help you adjust the fitness on your head. So I think I've already adjusted it to how it fits me. So yeah, but then in case it's loose or it's tight, you can release the straps on the side to help you get a better grip on your head. Likewise with the one on top. And yeah, so that's it. It has the lens control, how wide your eyes are So you can either push it close or wide to give you a better view. Also have the volume rockers beneath it on the right side. So it comes with a 3.5mm jack head over here where you can plug in your headset or whatever the case may be. But then it has inbuilt speakers which are really good. So you can use it without the headset in. Without your earphones or your whatever it is you may use to connect to it. You can just use it with the inbuilt speaker, and that is really good. Like the sound quality is so good. You don't even need any earphones. And yeah, power button is on the right. Charging port is on the left. It's a USB-C charging port. And let me put this aside. So let's go to the controllers. It comes with two controllers, and this is what they look like. With some form of safety strap hanging at the bottom where you can put your hands around them. To be safe in case you drop it, swinging your arms or doing what. But yeah, it has safety straps. So one for the left, one for the right, and these are your controllers, what you use to play whatever game you are doing. And just so you know, you can also use the Oculus Quest without these controllers, but you have to go into the settings to enable your hand gestures, where you can use your hands as the input source. So both controllers uses AA batteries, and so you can just open the side of the controller and stuck in one AA battery. So when the battery runs down, you can just buy new ones and put it in. But unlike the actual headset, has inbuilt battery where you need to charge it whenever it runs down. So speaking about games, there are so many interesting games on the store, and for one, the most popular one is Beat Saber, and I really love the Beat Saber. One, I don't know how to dance, so the Beat Saber kind of helped me get into motion and like move my body and all that. So yeah, maybe one day when I'm playing, I'll record myself playing it and you see maybe I'm doing a good work. But yeah, also like I said, it uses a USB-C charging port, and this is the USB-C cable. I think it's like about 2 meters length of cable, so it's pretty long. You can, when you're still playing a game and your battery is running down, you can plug it in and still play the game without necessarily having to wait and get it fully charged. Comes with a power brick adapter, so this produces 5 volts output for charging your Oculus Quest. So yeah, basically there we have it. Nothing more to talk about. That's it about the Oculus Quest. And yeah, see you in the virtual reality world. I'm out. Peace.